Hello, little helpers! Welcome back to Brain Up Kids! Today is day 8 of our Word of the Day calendar. We are going to learn 5 super useful daily activity words. Are you ready? Say yes! Drink. Pretend to drink water. Say it loud. Drink. Repeat after me. Drink. 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 Cook. Pretend to stir food in a big pot. Cook. Say it 3 times. Cook. 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 Clean. Wipe the table with your hand. Clean. Clean your desk right now, kids. Wash. Rub your hands like soap. Wash. Always wash before eating. Sleepy. Rub your eyes and yawn. Sleepy. Say it with me. I feel sleepy. Great job! Let's say all 5 together. Drink. Cook. Clean. Wash. Sleepy. Story time. Maya was thirsty. She drank milk. Then she cooked yummy food with her mom. After eating, Maya cleaned the table. She washed her hands, and guess what? She felt very sleepy and went to bed. Isn't that fun? Words become easy when we use them in stories. Let's say the words again with actions. Drink. Cook. Clean. Wash. Sleepy. Fantastic, kids! You learned 5 new daily words. Remember, practice at home with your parents and use these words every day. Don't forget to like, love, and subscribe to Brain Up Kids for more fun learning.